Many times we interact with the pregnant mothers and they are saying that I am a working mother and I don't have time to practice Garbh Sanskar Guru App based activities. Please understand that during pregnancy, baby's 80% brain development is happening, and that is continuous development. Per minute, 2.5 lakh neurons are being developed. So whatever time right now there with you to nurture the baby's development, that will never come again. Please understand that. Rather than repent after birth, you should start investing your time. And the Garbh Sanskar Guru application based activity would hardly take 15 to 20 minutes in a day, and which you can divide in 24 hours. For example, you can simply practice 2 or 3 activities in the morning time, 1 or 2 activities in the afternoon time, and 2 or 3 activity in the evening time, and remaining activity while you are going for the bed. So like this way you can divide, and whenever you are feeling negative, actually at that time you would require to have support system. So this Garbh Sanskar Guru app based activities would be the support system for you. So you need to take a second call actually. Even though you are working lady, what is your priority? Please try to understand that. Because your work can wait, your relatives can wait, your festivals can wait, your friends even can wait, but your baby's development will not wait for your decision. That is constantly happening. The way you are living, the way you are thinking, the way you are doing the things right now, that is shaping your baby's future. Please understand that and take a right call at right time.
जॉयफुल और पॉजिटिव प्रेगनेंसी के लिए आज ही ज्वाइन करें गर्भ संस्कार गुरु।